Hey everybody, thanks a lot for joining my channel again. So today, it's in the title, right? So when I start my car with the normal bulbs, you'll notice that there's a warm-up. So you see how the lights slowly warm up to white? And then you guys can see how far, like that's my low beams, that's my high beams. And that's with a conventional bulb. And to be honest with you, right now with this camera, they're actually showing up way brighter than normal. But this is my lights right here. And so what I'm about to do is put in the lumens kit for my car, and I'm going to show you guys how that works and what the difference is afterwards. Stay tuned. So yeah, before I change them both out, I just wanted to show you guys the difference. You can see how well it's bright, it's white. And on this side here, you can even see it on the ground, right? This one here's got more yellow in it because it's a standard halogen bulb. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick before I show you guys the complete setup on it and what it actually looks like behind me. So excuse me while I go upside down here, but I just want to show you guys real quick. So usually there's a dust cover on this, but I had to remove it when I installed my HID kit. So just give this thing a little turn. It should just pop right out, and it is on. So what I'm going to do is, hold on a second here. We'll go ahead and shut the car off. Oh, one of my fans is a little noisy there. I just heard it turn it off there. Kind of had a little bit of howl. That might be something I have to upgrade in the near future here. So anyway, yeah, so I got this bulb out, and normally I would have, normally I would have the dust cover on this, and I do have them somewhere, and I do plan on putting them back on. So anyway, so I just got to unclip this here, get that little clip off, get this laid out. I need two hands to do this. Give me a sec. So in this particular kit for my car, this is the 2013 Interceptor, you get this. It's they call it the smart box. What it is a decoder for your car, because on these cars in particular, you could put just like straight LEDs in this thing without that. However, your LEDs will burn out prematurely. And the whole reason I'm actually putting LEDs in this one, I did buy the HID kit for this car, but this car has a slight little hiccup with the wiring or the battery voltage, so one side doesn't work with the HID. HID kits are really picky with voltage. LEDs aren't. But with that being said, when this thing is in DRL, daytime running lights, the voltage to the light is less than what it is on full power. So if you try to run your LEDs like that, you can burn them out prematurely. So what this controller does is it makes it so that this thing controls the voltage, so it's always getting it's getting the constant voltage that it needs without prematurely burning it out. So these are the ones that do have fans. I'm not particularly a fan of fans, but lumens so far have actually stood up pretty good. I did have one burnout on me, but I didn't have the decoder put on it. So I'm hoping now this time around it'll actually last a lot longer. So again, in the description below, you guys will find, or I'll put a link right here. I'll put two links here. I'll put one link for the one to look for your specific year and model of vehicle. And then right here, I'll put the one that actually shows their website, so you can look at their off-road lighting and all their other lighting options that they have. You can go in there and look. So if you're interested in getting strobe lights for your plow, your truck, whatever, your off-road, I don't know, even though I haven't even gone through their whole website. I've looked at their off-road. I've actually bought, like on my other channel, I've showed you that I've got plow lights on my my ATV as an example. Those are amber blue. They don't have amber red. That's one thing I've actually been talking to them about, maybe putting amber red on their website. Next time I talk to them, I might talk to them about doing amber red. I don't know where they stand on that. The amber yellow was actually my idea, because amber yellow is actually really hard to find. So thankfully those guys did that for me, and now I have that on my plow. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now I will tell you, because one thing I learned on that side there, when I put this thing in, this thing's got a little knob on this side, but it doesn't have one on this side. But you'll notice this says plus and that says minus. Now I'm going to show you guys just a little thing that I noticed. So I know it's really hard for me to show you this. I'm trying to get down here and around here and show you. But when I plug this in, when I plug this one in so that it actually locks in, when I turn the lights on, the lights don't come on. I'll show you here. So that's plugged in like that. And I haven't started the car. All I did was just flick my light on. And you'll notice that these ain't working. They are not working. So what I have to do, and it seems counterintuitive, is I now have to unplug this. Here, I'll do it and I'll show you guys. Jeez. So anyway, so I unplugged it, and now you'll notice that it's no longer clipped in. There's no pin holding that. So that's the pin. And then as soon as you plug that in, lo and behold, the light works. So now I know that the light does work. So what I've got in here, what the nice thing is, Lumens sends you, they do send you twist ties. So I'm going to clean this up real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys the comparison. I can't really do it before and after, but you guys saw what it was before. If you want to skip back and forth, you can. Anyway, all right, let's get to this here. I'll finish this up. All right, so now what I've actually done is, see if I can show this to you guys here like this, is I was able to stuff everything inside there. So now when I find my dust covers, wherever they are, I can go ahead and put the dust covers on. So you can see how it's in there. And I did it with the other side there as well. So, okay, so now that these are done, I will go ahead, get this box out of the way, close this up, and we will finish this off. Okay, so lights off, same thing as before. You'll notice now there is no warm up. As soon as I turn this car on, you'll see how bright these lights are right away. That's it. That's how bright they are right away. That's my high beams. So now you guys can really see, whereas before, my low beams were right about the same spot, but they weren't nearly as bright. And then when I put the high beams were not nearly as high as they are right now. These are way brighter lights. The LEDs, they say, you know, are brighter. It says it right on their website that they're a lot brighter. They're not as bright as HIDs. HIDs are stupid bright. But there you guys go. No more yellow, as you guys can see. And now when I'm driving down the road, I think, thing is, being across the street now and looking at this, I've got anti-glare glasses, and this thing, it is kind of glaring a bit, but those lights just look so nice on the car. They really do. They just look so friggin' nice. As you guys see my cat right over there staring at me through the window. Yeah, so anyway, that's it, you guys. Like I said, I will, the links right about here, like I said, and also at the end there, there is a discount code for you guys to use as well. So if you guys want to go to that website and check it out, I highly recommend it. Any of you police officers, fire rescue, anything like that, or just for your normal household driving everyday vehicle, guys, I highly recommend these lights. Yeah, so I'll put the discount code right here, and yeah, that's it, guys. So this link or this link and this discount code will get you 15% off at checkout for whatever lights you decide to buy. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Please give this thing a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. See you guys in the next one. Peace.